In the previous tutorial, I illustrated how snapshots can be created to save development settings to specific images. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take these snapshots and make them into universal presets that you can apply to other images in batch operations. In develop mode, let's take a look at our snapshots. I've opened up an image that has two snapshots, the default image and the image with the color changed on the Volkswagen to pink. With the pink image, I can see that changes have been made to the image based on the blue icon in the development tools. This blue dot indicates that the color wheel has been applied, and I can see that orange has been selected and the hue altered. This snapshot I've created can be turned into a preset. To create a preset, click the cog at the top of the development tools. Click Save Preset. A window will appear allowing you to select the adjustments that you have made. Here, I can simply click Color Wheel, though I can always select more, or simply use Select All to ensure that everything is selected. By selecting Color Wheel, its development settings will be saved to the preset. Let's name it. I'm going to call this preset Orange to Pink. With this development preset saved, let's navigate back to Manage mode. I'll select another image in my folder. Let's navigate to Batch and Batch Develop. I'll select the preset that I've just created and click Develop. As you can see, my application is complete and the car's color has been changed. Just a note that with batch adjustments, such as this development, multiple images can be selected at once, allowing for hundreds of adjustments simultaneously. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.